Hi, in this video, I will show you how to do the homework in MyMathLab and what supportive resources are available in the homework menu. MyMathLab assignments can be accessed either from the Canvas course homepage, from the tab My Lab and Mastering, or you can go directly to MyMathLab by typing www.mymathlab.com in the address menu. From the Canvas course page, click the My Lab and Mastering tab, and then click Open My Lab and Mastering. To access homework assignments, click on Assignments tab on the left. You'll see the list of the assignments that are due. The due date is shown on the left, and when you click on the assignment, you can start completing it. So let's see how homework works. For example, homework 3.1, Measures of Center. There are 10 questions in this assignment. Let's start with question 1. For each homework question, you will find Get More Help button that has a list of resources: textbook, Statcrunch, tech help, calculator, Ask My Instructor, and other help for questions that require calculations. Let me pick the question and we can look at additional resources. Here's a question that requires to calculate mean, median, mid-range, and mode. Let's say I don't remember how to find the mean. Let's go to Get More Help. You can view an example. That would be a similar question. Click Continue, Continue, Continue to see the steps, how to calculate the mean, then the median. You can keep clicking to see all the parts. You probably noticed that the numbers would be a little bit different than in the original problem. Try not to substitute the numbers in the example with the original problem, but rather to try to understand the example. Remember, statistics is not that much about calculations, but more about understanding what we're looking for and why we're looking for and how to analyze the data and explain the results. Another help that is available, publisher's video, the textbook. You can access Statcrunch from here, and I'll also show you in a minute where else you can access Statcrunch. Calculator, you can use Ask My Instructor button. It will go directly to my email. In the question box, you will type your question. For example, I do these calculations, but the answer does not come up right. What am I doing? Could you please check? Please don't send me just the empty question, because I need to know what exactly from that question you need help with. This particular question can be solved with Statcrunch. So you can access Statcrunch from here, or you can click the little icon next to the dataset and open in Statcrunch. Notice that all the data values are copied directly to the Statcrunch and you don't have to retype it. I have a separate video specifically on how to find the summary statistics for the dataset, so I'm not going to go over this example in this video. But I will put that video in the comments so you can watch that. So let's say I calculated the mean and it was 1.2. We need to round to 3 decimal places, 1.234. I don't know the answer because I didn't do the calculations. I'm just showing you how the homework works. Click Check the Answer. Oh, by the way, you can use the calculator menu if you need any math symbols. That is not correct. Okay, let's type something else. 1.356. Check the answer again. Of course, it's not correct again, because I didn't do the calculations, so I do not know what the answer is. I'm just showing you how that works. Or 1.450. Final check. MyMathLab gives you 3 attempts for each homework problem, and then it will just revise the problem. It will be different numbers. The same problem, just different numbers, so you can practice more. And it will give you the correct answer for that particular problem at the end. You can access the questions multiple times. The questions will be saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. Or you can click Save button when you want to exit it. I hope it was helpful. I post all my instructional videos on my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe for the updates.